All right, guys, we're back again here at the Command Center, JW Solar USA, live in Minnesota. Folks, these are the two sets of batteries here, which has on 12 on each. If you guys can see, um, I would like to see. I lift them up. You see, it's a set, and the other one is down there. So it's 12 on 12. So I just stack them. One side is gonna be, if I lift, you can see half on the left hand corner. You see like 4, and here 4, 8. So that's 12 total. So you already trying to. I'm gonna do a test. I'm gonna be using our Unity meter today, not a fluke, and we're gonna turn it into DC volt, which is right here. Okay, so we're gonna go and set it. I already open up the probe right here. You see, for this battery, the one underneath, not the top one. Because the top one was flipped over on the other side. That's all the other way, because 8 here, 4 over there. So I can just balance them. So I'm gonna think about maybe want to keep them this way. But doing so, I want to batteries all these terminals, this orange side, gonna be on the same spot. That's gonna be my project. So I'm gonna dismantle them and keep them all on the same spot, because I want this eye end from this side here to be like legs, where they can be a standing legs. Okay, by doing so, I can able to put it horizontal. I can able to put it vertical, like the one you saw on the other video, the end screen, the video I just posted not too long ago, before this video. So I want to keep all these orange covers, so where the bus bars are, and the sensing wires. So I want to keep everything there. If I want to do, if I want to, maybe I can just leave even this plug there. I don't know, but if I have to, because right now, let's check the voltage first and see what the voltage is. I wish the voltage would be adequate for 48 volts. That would be nice. That would be really, really nice um, uh, uh, to run. So right now, let's set this meter right here. Okay, I can hold it and try to put the probe right here. Stay tuned. Right now, the probe's already in. This is the voltage we are right now for these batteries. So these each of the battery pack, the 12 of them, is 91.4. I wish I had an inverter that is a 91 over 100 volt or 80 volt. Sorry, yeah, 95 volt in, or even, yeah, 95 or 92 or 93. That would be awesome. And I can just run these things the way they are right now, the way they are series. I don't have to worry about it. So it's going to be a 91.4 volt at 66 amp hours on this one top wire. So we can go on the other side and try it again and see what the voltage is. Right now it's 91.4. So 91.4 times 2, that's supposed to give you a total of 182.8. So I think you saw on the other battery I showed you, the other video before, first video before this one I just posted, and this is just the one. You see the voltage there when I said the voltage test on that battery. And guys, you will see what the voltage was, and you can make your comparison how this battery is going to be. So let's check this 91.4. Let's check the other side of it. Okay, before going further, so if we have 91.4 divided by 12 cells, 12 of them, so each battery is supposed to be at 7.6 7.6 volt occurring 66666. So 7.616 per each module, because they are now on series, so they're supposed to read just like that. Stay tuned. All right, guys, here is the other side of the battery. So we're going to be putting the probes on this side. If we can see, it can give us a 91.4 on this side, and stay tuned. So let's see the voltage again. All right, guys, the probe's already in. So this is what we got again, 91.4. So all of them are the same. So if we're 91.4, so it's going to be 183 point something. 18, 182.8, something like that. That's what I said earlier. So 91.4. So the batteries are balanced. These are temperature sense here, and these batteries are all in a good condition. As far as I'm concerned, I think we got some healthy batteries. And I want to keep the temperature sensing wires here. As see, I can able to use other device to probes, and I can cut my other probe I have that's going to monitor the cells right here. And it seems like one temperature sensor back here. I think so, because the probes get into the holes, little holes here, there. So let's take a look on the other side how much sensors we have. On this side, we have two sensors, one probe and one on the other corner right here. So probe right there. So guys, the batteries are well balanced, and we're in good shape, good to go. And I want to keep them this way. I want to stack them the way they are so they can sit this way, and it's going to be really easy to manage. I don't know what you think. So leave your comments on the description below what you think I should do. If you want to share your opinion, if you don't have one.